Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the Virudeca Funny Dog Blanket. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. This blanket is made of premium flannel lightweight material, which makes it very soft. Even though it is lightweight, it is actually quite warm and comfortable to use. Keeping this blanket clean is also super easy because it is machine washable with cold water and it doesn't shrink even after you wash it or you dry it. The material also holds itself quite well and it doesn't shed. The blanket comes in several different sizes and designs, so there are many variety of options to choose from, whether you're buying for yourself or as a gift for others. The design is printed on one side of the blanket and then on the other side it's a plain pattern. The one I have here is a super cute dog design and it is 40 inches by 50 inches in size. Overall, this is such a nice and soft blanket for all kinds of purposes to keep warm or to add a stylish pop of color to any living area. Whether for use at home, for decorating, or to take for picnics, traveling, or as a gift. If you are in the market for a lightweight and warm blanket with super cute designs, be sure to take a look at this.